Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I received my Jane's Agenda planner and lifestyle subscription box. I actually received it about a week or two ago, but like I said, I had surgery and I wanted to share it with you. So let me pull everything out. I was supposed to get the personal size, but it looks like they still sent me the A5. So I have to send them an email, but because I've changed from my A5 to my personal. And the first thing that we get is our little card. Tells you May subscription box tour. The first thing that you get is the quote card, What I Want. It says, I do this thing called What I Want. And then a quote card that says, the fears we don't face become our limits. And then a training card, which is habits to track, habit ideas to track. And some ideas for that are in health and physical is sleep, hydration, vitamins, caffeine, medication, exercise, being outside, physical touch, stretching or yoga, deep breathing. You can do routines, morning, evening routine, skincare, meal planning, chores, dental care, finances, daily to-dos. Tackle the hardest task first. And then you have emotional and mental, which is reading, stress level, happiness level, self-discovery, digital detox, set goals, gratitude, journaling, meditation, me time, hobbies, try something new, affirmations, and laughter. And then you can also track social, which is time with friends, time with family, date night, random acts of kindness, social media, sports, being present, events, and running errands with someone. And then the next training card we get is Confident Conversationalist. Effective habits of a confident conversationalist. Make eye contact, have a sturdy handshake, and keep it ready every time you introduce yourself. When you meet new people, greet them and say your name with pride. Repeat their name after they introduce themselves. Talk more about the person you are speaking to than you do talking about yourself. Give sincere compliments. Ask questions that show you are interested in what they are talking about. Be conscious of your RBF, which is your resting bitch face. Keep your face friendly. That's one of my hardest things. Sometimes it helps to mimic body language in a subtle way. If you enjoyed the conversation, create the opportunity to reconnect. And when the conversation is over, thank the person for talking to you with you or for their time. So you get those, and you get a cardstock photo with a hat. I don't know what that one is. Cardstock photo with a hat. Oh, here it is. So here is the hat, and it's made of, it's really a nice quality cardstock. And then you get a vellum foil vellum dashboard with quote, which says ingredients: passion, wit, dreams, style, craftiness, planning, love, curiosity, fire. You've already got what it takes. So that's a dashboard that we got. Some very cute rose gold oval clips. Love these little dainty clips. They send the best paper clips, I will say that. And then you get black super sticky notes. And then we get a white Uniball Signo UM153. So let's see how it writes. So nice, I like that. So we get black sticky notes and a white pen, and then a foil vellum dashboard with a quote. Foil vellum. Let me see if I can find it. That might be this one. Or it's that one. I think it's this one here. Oh, here it is. You actually get two of them. They're not really vellum, they're more like plastic. And then you get black cardstock dashboard with a self-care list, which says clear boundaries, airplane mode, strong focus, fixed skin, savings, self-care, self-respect, close friends, and self-appreciation. And then we get white ink cover dashboard set with the roses. Oh, that was this one. Foil vellum dashboard with quote. Maybe this is it. No, this is not vellum. You just have to walk into the room and be fearless. Never let people think for a minute that you couldn't totally take them down. That's a quote by Stevie Nicks. So lots of dashboards this time, and then we get a tip-in for habit tracking. You put the date at the top, active minutes each day, your goal for your water each day, AM routine, PM routine, and you get several of these. So you get those tip-ins, and then lastly you get the daily docket, which is an insert, a daily insert. Super cute, love this. It has your schedule, the date at the top. You have a spot for your meals, your activities, your to-do list, calories, steps, and then affirmation and gratitude. And then on the back you have a dot grid. So super cute, and it looks like you get quite a few of these. So that is Jane's Agenda May subscription box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I will be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.